Y'all, I was finally able to hunt down these drops, these A2O Lab waterproof makeup sealer drops, and I found them in Austin for $3.25. So I put that on my face. I'm gonna show you how I do that. And we're gonna do a wear test. I think my dogs need to be walked again. These claim to be humidity proof, and I live in a very humid city, and I'm not okay with that. It is currently 73 degrees, so not too bad, but let's hope it's a little bit humid. We're gonna go on a probably 30-minute walk, about a mile and a half. So we're gonna go check the mailbox, then we're gonna go on a walk. Came outside, got my wedding invitation. Okay, it was a little bit humid outside, nothing crazy. I just got back inside. We're gonna do like a blot test. So it does come off. Interesting. Oh, yeah. And this is with the Urban Decay and the L'Oreal Infallible on it, so I think I'm gonna have to try again.